Hello everybody, thanks for coming, thanks for watching. This is an open box for iMac that I just bought in 2018 or 2017. I don't know, let's check it out. I went to the Apple store to check it out and they say this all these computers are 2017. I don't know why. Maybe Apple might be upgrading this pretty soon, or I don't know when, but I needed a new mic. A new mic. Actually, I need a new mic, but this time I need a new iMac. So I went online on apple.com and customized one myself. I currently have this in this box is where it comes all the accessories, the keyboard, all the stuff. I currently have a iMac 2011, so I decided it's time to upgrade for a new one. And I took advantage of the barclaycard that they have promotion. You know, if you purchase something over $1,000, it will give you 18 months free of interest charge to pay in full this computer. So I better get more gigs to pay. So as you can see, it comes with a keyboard, the mouse, the power cable, and a power cable for the mouse and the keyboard to charge it, because these are actually rechargeable, which is pretty cool. All right, so I just remove all the different covers. Just be careful with it, you know, it's pretty much taped to the computer. And yeah, so I pretty much customized the computer. It cost me close to $2,000, so it's pretty expensive though. So as you can see, it has the headphone jack, the SD card, 4 USB port, 2 Type-C port, the Ethernet port, and of course the connection for the power. Cool, so I just turn it on and I'm gonna start going through all the settings, you know, blah 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 blah. And yeah, you make sure that you get the icon so you recognize yourself when logging. I chose a keyboard since I do music. Cool. You know, I'm just gonna play around with the computer for a couple days and see how fast it is. As you can see right now, this is a 4K 21.1 inch 2017. And the processor is 3.6 GHz Intel Core i7, and it has a 16 gigabyte of RAM. And also the graphic is a Radeon Pro 555 2048 megabytes. I'm not sure, I'm not too familiar with those, to be honest, but I just want to make music. We're gonna make videos and see, you know, how's it going through the next couple of days. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like my videos, and go back to watch the other ones too. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.